Okay, let's talk Samsung. And no, not the usual minor update, move along kind of story. This time, they've skipped a whole version of Android and are jumping straight to One UI 8 based on Android 16. Wait, what? Most Galaxy phones haven't even tasted One UI 7 yet, and here's Samsung just leapfrogging ahead like it's Mario Kart. Why would they break their own update rhythm? And what does that mean for your phone? Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into leaks, tech shakeups, and future gazing into what your device might be doing next, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a bite. So here's the scoop. One UI 8 is already out in early builds, but before you start smashing that software update button, hold up, because the version testers are seeing right now, it's kind of empty, like eerily quiet. You boot it up expecting fireworks, and instead, you get a weather app with a cute walking guy in a raincoat. Yes, really. That's the headline features so far. But don't bounce yet, because what's missing might be more interesting than what's included. For starters, these early builds were spotted on unreleased devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Flip 6, and even the upcoming S25 Ultra. That's a huge hint. Samsung's clearly not playing by the usual rules this time. These aren't just test runs. This is a full-on new foundation for foldables and flagships alike. Now here's where things get spicy. Samsung's update timeline is looking suspiciously fast. Internally, whispers say One UI 8 might go public in just a few months, but considering how bare bones the current build is, missing navbars, half-finished menus, broken features, that feels, well, wildly optimistic. Either Samsung is planning a last-minute sprint, or they're holding a lot back for a surprise reveal. And speaking of surprises, let's talk device eligibility. The good news, if you're using anything from the S21 Fan Edition and up, you're golden. That includes the S22, S23, S24, and even the upcoming S25 series. Foldables? Covered. Tabs? Yep, from the Tab S8 to S10 Ultra. Even budget champs like the A54, A16, and Galaxy A06 are on the list. Samsung's casting a wide net. But here's the kicker. Not every device makes the cut, and Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the full list yet, so there's a bit of mystery. If you've been hanging on to an older Galaxy or mid-range model, now might be the time to start eyeing an upgrade. Now let's circle back to that weather app. Yeah, we joked about it, but it's actually kind of clever. Imagine this. You wake up, unlock your phone, and boom, a little animated character is strutting across your screen, dressed for the day's forecast. Sunny? They've got shades. Raining? Umbrella in hand. Snowstorm. Parka mode. It's simple, charming, and very One UI. Not revolutionary, but oddly delightful. Still, if that's the flashiest part of the update right now, what else is coming? That's the real question, and it's what's keeping Samsung fans glued to every leak. Because if Samsung's skipping ahead to Android 16 this early, you can bet there's something bigger cooking behind the scenes. Remember how One UI 6 cleaned up the design language? One UI 8 could be the platform where Samsung pushes real innovation in multitasking, foldable-friendly gestures, AI-powered features, the kind of stuff that needs more than just cosmetic polish. We're expecting smarter widgets, more adaptive UI layouts, and better app continuity between screens. Nothing official yet, but the framework is clearly being laid. And for those wondering if this update is worth waiting for, definitely. But also, temper your expectations for now. What we're seeing today is more like the skeleton of a skyscraper. It might not look like much yet, but it's only a matter of time before Samsung builds it out floor by floor. So here's the bottom line. One UI 8 is coming, fast and with some serious ambition. It's still early days, but if you're into foldables, fresh features, or just love watching tech evolve in real time, this update is shaping up to be a big one, eventually. Keep an eye on your eligible devices, keep checking those beta builds, and of course, I'll be tracking every new feature and hidden gem as they roll out. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and I'll catch you in the next one.